Hello, welcome to the Insider IPO video number 1. I want to introduce the big idea to you, and it is human nature does not change. Alright? Individuals are smart, but groups of people are dumb. Just look at any negative propaganda campaigns throughout history, or read the book called The Madness of Crowds, or simply look at the markets when fear or greed take over. IPO insiders do cash out. They absolutely do cash out when they're allowed to, which is 4 to 6 months after the IPO. And if not all of their position, then at least a portion of their position, because they always want to take some chips off the table, or they believe everybody else is taking chips off the table, which makes them want to go ahead and take some profits. There is a new way to trade IPOs. That's what I'm going to talk about in my few videos and webinar next week. You can register at etftrendtrading.com/webinar. And here's a list of IPOs. Many of these did come up to become system trades. And here's Groupon, which was 11/4/2011. So adding 6 months out puts you at May 4th. We're going to look at that chart in just a second. And all the way at the bottom is the Facebook IPO, which may possibly be a expiration trade here at expiration time. We don't trade every single IPO, but we do trade a high number of them. So here is the Groupon chart, GRPN. You can see it just went down, 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 down. And then you can see in May here, slight rebound, and then continue to go down, down, down. What we've done though is we've actually ended up selling a number of days before the expiration, and then we take profits a number of days after expiration. So I'm not the first one to quote figure it out, it being that the markets crash or drop at the expiration time because of so much profit taking from the insiders. Remember, every buyer there's a seller, every seller there's a buyer. So when a lot of sell orders hit at once, the markets go down. But I am the first one to systematize it and make it 100% mechanical. And so what we do is we sell, like I said, a number of days beforehand, and I'll share some of the system rules on the webinar, not all of them, and take profits not too far afterwards. So we're not long-term investors, we're not holding trades for months. That way we get compounding to work for us over and over again. So once again, the big idea is that human nature does not change. The insiders always take some profits off of the table, or all profits off the table, and you'll see this pattern over and over again. So if you look at that list that I just showed you, you can pause the video and see a whole bunch of IPOs that recently expired here in May and June, and you'll see that there is a definite pattern of them moving downward at expiration time or slightly before. So in the next videos or webinars, I'll show you more statistical proof, plus live trading accounts, plus answer any of your questions, such as, is this legal? What is the average trade time? Do you really give me trades on a silver platter? Do I need to do any analysis? And more of those questions. Thank you.